हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव लॉ का न्यू वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक दैट इज ओबड्समैन। द टर्म ओबड्समैन वाज borrowed from Swedish where it means representative. Simply the term ombudsman means a representative. Sweden became the first country to appoint an independent official known as an ombudsman to investigate complaint against governmental official and agencies. Any administrative system has to be responsible to the people. There is a need for some institution to be responsive to the people against maladministration of the administrative authorities. So, ombudsman is an officer of parliament whose main function is to investigate the complaints or allegation against the administration. Now, simply आप understand करो, the term ombudsman was borrowed from a Swedish and it simply means a representative. स्वीडन फर्स्ट कंट्री था जहाँ पर एक इंडिपेंडेंट ऑफिसर को अपॉइंट किया गया एज एन ओम्बड्समैन and the work of that person is to investigate various types of complaints against government's agencies. Clear? Ombudsman is an officer of a parliament. Ombudsman एक पार्लियामेंट के द्वारा अपॉइंट किया गया एक ऑफिसर है जिसका सिंपली वर्क ही इन्वेस्टिगेट करने का है कंप्लेंट और एलिगेशन अगेंस्ट द एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव अथॉरिटीज। और मेन पर्पस क्या है इस अपॉइंटमेंट का? टू अवॉइड और टू रिस्पॉन्सिव टू द पीपल अगेंस्ट मल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशंस। द मेन ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ दिस ombudsman is to safeguard the citizen against misuse of the power of administration. Its purpose is to control the administration, thereby giving protection to the citizen against maladministration. Now, ombudsman को हम ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं that ombudsman means a watchdog of administration or protector of a little or common man. Further, the ombudsman is a part of the system of administrative law for scrutinizing the work of the executive. Now, again, ombudsman is the appoint not only for the executive authority but of the legislature. The ombudsman enjoy a large measure of independence and personal responsibility and is primarily a guardian of correct behavior. So simply remember that any administrative system has to be responsible to people. Therefore, there is need for some institution to be responsive to the people against maladministration of the administration, and ombudsman is such type of an officer or commissioner or the grievance man. And one very important definition, remember, definition is given by Garner. He said that ombudsman is an officer of a parliament having its primary function, the duty of acting as an agent for Parliament for the purpose of safeguard the citizen against abuse or misuse of administrative power by the executive authority. Next we will discuss in our next video.